Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jet, and in today's video, we're going to create a daily and monthly prayer journal in InDesign. We're going to create this in master pages so we can duplicate the pages as many times as we want easily. And I'll show you how to duplicate and set it up properly as a ready-to-upload PDF file here KDP Amazon Low Content Book Publishing business as well. By the way, if you're new to my channel, a huge welcome to you and thanks for being here. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post these types of videos. So sit tight, get your computer or laptop ready, open up your InDesign, and let's get started. So once you're in InDesign, just go to File, New Document, or if you have this, you can always go to More Presets. Then this will show up. And for this tutorial, I'm just going to use 6 by 9 inches. And the orientation will be portrait. And for the margins, I normally use 0.5 inches because if I want to do this for KDP publishing or any other low content book publishing sites, I need to have a bigger space for the margins. And for the bleed and slug, just put 0 in it. If you have any images or shapes that goes beyond the margin, you need to have a bleed here. 0.125 inches should be enough. And then just create. Now that we have this, we need to go to master here and then just right click and then hit new master. And I'll just rename this to daily. And number of pages, I'll just use 1 and then hit OK. So make sure that this one's highlighted and not this one. So now all I have to do is go to this rectangle tool and then just do this and then just create a new color swatch and then just hit add and done. If you want to extend this all the way out of the page, you can also do that, but you need to have bleed for that one. So for this, I'm just gonna do it like this and no stroke for this one. And now for the text, I'll just put it here first. Just click on this T icon here and then we'll do daily prayers. Oops, this. Then I'm going to change the font. So maybe this one. And then I'm going to hold Shift Option Command and then drag this like so. I'll change the color to white and I'll put it here. Okay, I'm going to do another text. Date. And I'll change this. There we go. And now I'm going to change this again to white and then drag it here. Now click on line tool and then just drag a line there. Change the stroke to 0.5 and that's going to be white. And there you go. So I don't think I like color for that one. So I'm just going to change the color. I'll use RGB. There we go. And I'll change this again to black. That looks better. Okay, I think that's good enough. So now I'm just going to hold Option and highlight this one and then drag it over here. And then I'm going to go to Rectangle tool again and the background, use the same one. And right click on it, arrange and then send to back. I'm just going to go to view, overview, preview so I don't see any lines over there. I'm going to change these to scripture or scriptures. Okay, and then go to table, create table. I'm going to use maybe 4 lines and 1 column. So, and then I highlight this. I change the stroke to 0.5 and then I disable the bottom and the center. And then I go to stroke again and then hit none because I don't want any stroke. If you go to preview, I don't want any stroke and the left and right side and the top. So that's it. So now I'm going to highlight this again and then hold the Option key to duplicate this and then just resize this. So do prayer for myself. That. Now highlight everything. You can also group this if you want. It's easier. Okay. And then I'll change this to others. I'll duplicate this again. Then change this to questions or whatever you want to put in your prayer journal. And then just resize. Okay, and then maybe delete one. Then I'm gonna duplicate this two. Just gonna delete one. Deleting one, you can put the cursor here and then command delete or control delete if you're on PC. And just resize this so it looks better. And put it at the edge of the margin. There you go. And this would be notes, the gratitudes maybe, or thankful for. Let's resize this. Looks better. Okay, if we preview it, this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna do another master, and I will call this monthly, and just one page again. Hit OK, hit on preview, and I go back to my daily, and I want to use this, so I'm gonna highlight everything and Command C or Control C to copy, and go to monthly and right click and paste in place, and that will paste it in the right place. So now I'm gonna change this to monthly and change this to month. Just gonna align this with month. There you go. And now I'm gonna go back to my daily and hit this again. I'm gonna do scripture verses, then resize this, and then copy this again. This will be prayers for all myself. Duplicate that again. Others, and resize this. Now after that we can go here, tools, and then change the stroke to 0.5, change this to rounded, this, and then copy this one, just drag it over here, make sure that it's in the middle and center it. Now make sure that this is in front of the rectangle, and the background, let's make it white so it looks like this one. Looks like you've got a space over here. So this will be maybe affirmations, monthly goals. This is your daily prayers and your monthly prayers. Now we go here, down here in the pages section. Then I want a belongs to page. All I have to do is click on that. Now change the background, and then I'll do that again. I'll copy this and change the background to none and the stroke be black. And I have that. Now I go to my daily, copy that one, go here. I'm just gonna put it over here. Prayer journal, okay, and copy this. Say this, put this here. Belongs to. Just gonna make this bigger. Maybe email, and phone. It's all up to you. I'm just gonna align it. Click on align. So now that you have that, let's go back to pages. And we have this as our first page. Now I want a daily and a monthly. Now this is how to create your ready to upload KDP or low publishing book. This is how you duplicate things or create new pages. So all you have to do is right click over here and insert pages. I wanted to have a one page of monthly, and hit OK, and it will show up here. And next will be my daily. So it's up to you how many daily pages. So it's like it's gonna be for a month, let's say like 31 pages for the month. For the master, you need to select daily instead of monthly, and number of pages would be 31. It's insert page after page 2, and then hit OK. So it will give you all this. So you have the monthly and the daily pages. There's gonna be 31 pages for the daily. All right, so if you want to have this for the whole year, all you have to do is duplicate this one, click on the monthly first page, and then all the way here, and then drag this to this icon over here with the plus sign. That is the add icon. If you already have the whole year, all you have to do is export this as PDF. So just go to File and then Export, or Command or Control E, and then name your file and make sure the format would be Adobe PDF print, and then click on Save. Now it's high quality print and all pages. If you have marks and bleeds, just click on Use Document Bleed Settings, and this one here, and then click on Export. That will export everything to PDF, and it's gonna be ready for uploading to KDP or to any publishing site. And if you open your PDF, this is how it's going to look. It's going to be your belongs to page, your monthly prayers, in your daily prayers and everything. And this one is going to be ready to upload to KDP or any publishing sites. And there you have it, another easy design. If you found this useful, please like and share this with your friends or your social media. Also, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. I truly appreciate the help. Until next time, see you around. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!